Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer Tyson chicken sandwich. It's really easy to make, and let's begin. We have here some Tyson southern breast tenderloins. It's really tasty and you should give it a try. First we're going to prepare the sauce. We'll need 5 tablespoons of mayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll need 2 tablespoons of Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2. And lastly, 3 tablespoons of Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. 1, 2, 3. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. We're going to put this to the side. And now let's start air frying the chicken. We're going to open up the air fryer and let's put in the frozen chicken tenderloins. Let's open it up. Today we're making around 4 sandwiches. They kind of vary in sizes. This would make 1 sandwich. This would be another one. It's another one. Let's grab another piece. They kind of vary in sizes. Need another piece to finish off that sandwich. There we go. We pieced together 4 sandwiches. They kind of vary in size. We have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 14 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 7 minutes so far at 400 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. Now flip it over. And now we're going to put it back in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. But before we take them out, we're just going to set this to the side. And let's prepare the sandwich. We have here some sesame buns. There we go. Next, we're going to take the sauce and apply it to the buns. It's a really tasty sauce. Make sure to use Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. And let's apply it to the buns. There we go. You can save the remaining sauce for any small remaining chicken strips left over in the bag. Next, we're going to take some lettuce and sprinkle it on top. Slices of tomatoes. There we go. Next, we're going to take the chicken strips and place it on top. There you go, that's 1. 2. 3. And the last one. If you want, you can take some of the extra sauce and apply it on top. let's put the bun on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Tyson chicken sandwich. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.